So we are going to create a straight single flight staircase as well as L-shaped staircase as well as dogleg staircase using move and push pull tool. Type R for rectangle, then type 3 feet 6 inches as a width of trade, comma 10 inches as trade depth. So this one is, the width is 3 feet 6 inch and the depth is 10 inch. Now press P for push pull. Type, let's say 7 inch is the height of the riser. So this step is 7 inch high. So I have created a single step of a staircase. Now select it, then press M. Now press Ctrl for copy mode. Click on this point and then click on the diagonally opposite point. So here you can see we have created a copy of a step. Now to create multiple copies, type multiply and whatever number of steps you require. Let's say I require 12 number of steps. So type multiply 12 and press enter. So here you can see that instead of a single copy, total 12 number of copies are created. So total 13 steps have been created right now. So this is a clear case of a straight single flight staircase. Now to create an L-shaped staircase, generally in duplex bungalows we have L-shaped staircase. Okay, so for that, after the 13th step, I am going to create a landing. So my landing size would be 3 feet 6 inch, comma 3 feet 6 inch. So both the length and width of the landing is 3 feet 6 inch by 3 feet 6 inch for L-shaped staircase. Okay. Now press P again for push pull and push pull it by 7 inches. So this is the first landing of a staircase I had created. Now as you can see, now I want to create a staircase step from this point towards the right. Okay, so what I will do, there are two choices. Either I will create a rectangle like this, suppose 3 feet 6 inches by 10 inches and then push pull it by an amount of 7 inch. Okay, this is one case, this is simple. Another case is you can copy this face or this rectangle, select it, press move, M for move, then press Ctrl to create a copy and then place this copy like this. Then you can rotate this Q. Now you can see if I am not hitting the Control key for rotate command, then what is happening? Now this rectangle is merged with the landing rectangle. Okay, so what will happen when I simply rotate this? My geometry will get distorted. My entire geometry is getting stretched along with this rectangle because both these rectangles are merged. That's why I am showing it with this example to show you that when in SketchUp, if the objects are not into separate groups, when one object touches another object, then both the objects get merged. So try to avoid this kind of instances in your model in SketchUp. Okay, so now what you will do, if both these rectangle gets merged, you simply type Q to rotate, and rather than rotating it, you press Ctrl, so it will create a rotated copy. It is not going to rotate this rectangle, it will create a copy and rotate it. So you can rotate it by 90 degree. Now Once you have rotated it, click it, delete it. Select it, select the line and delete it. Now you can push pull it. Now you can see that in Sketchup, knowing the tool will not help you much. Tools are easy. Push pull is easy, move is easy, rotate is easy. But to know the right trick and when and where to use the right set of tool is very important. Basically, your technique should be very important. You can see that the same step I had created before using a single rectangle tool and push pull, simple, because my technique was easy and right. Now again I created the same step by using the rotate tool. I copied it with using move, then I rotated it. I created a rotated copy, then deleted the previous the base rectangle. I deleted the base rectangle and then push pull it. So it is a lengthy process. Although it is easy, but it is lengthy. Okay, so knowing the right technique is very essential in Sketchup. That's why I suggest you guys that rather than watching my videos in recording, you should understand that training pedagogy, that the right sequence in which I am teaching and how I am modeling. Because you see, I am modeling the same thing with very ease, and you are modeling the same thing with a lot of effort, and you are putting a lot of time into that. So try to avoid any complex stuff in SketchUp. The software is very easy, tools are very easy. Only you need to understand the right set of tools at the right time. Okay, so here to create a step, rather than copying it and rotating it and using any other tool, it is simple, very simple. Just draw a rectangle like this, okay, and type 3 feet 6 inch, 10 inch, and then P for push pull, and just push pull it by 7 inches or 6 inches, whatever height you want for your riser. Now again, if you see that this step is hollow, so when any object is hollow, you just create a line like this. It will create a face and then you can remove this line. So this object is now a solid one. It is easy. Now again, select this step. Now you can see the orientation. I am not selecting it like this, okay, because if I am going to select it like this, then you can see that the other steps, the rectangles are also getting selected. So keep your view orientation correct, keep it like this and select it with a selection window like this. So here you can see that only this step is selected. Then now again press M for move, press Ctrl for copy, click on this point and then click on this diagonally opposite point. Now again a single copy is created, press multiply, and whatever number of risers you require. Suppose I want 13 risers, I already created, then one landing 14, then this is 15. Now I want 5 more risers, so multiply 5. So this is how my L-shaped staircase is created. In the same way, I can create a dogleg staircase very easily. I can show you the same procedure. A single rectangle of 3 feet 6 inch by 10 inch, press R, then push pull it by 7 inches, then select it, move M, then press Ctrl, click on this point, then click on the diagonally opposite point, multiply by 13, total 13 risers are created. Now press R for rectangle. Now in dogleg staircase, the landing is almost double in size. The landing width is almost double in size. So here I am taking the landing width as 7 feet 6 inches because 3 feet 6 inch already is the width of the step. So here I can take 7 feet 6 inch, 3 feet 6 inch. Okay. Now press P for push pull it by 7 inches. Okay, now again this landing is hollow, so just draw a line connecting the two opposite edges, then press E and erase it. You can directly select the edge and press delete key also, that is also fine. Otherwise you can press E is the erase tool, or you can select this eraser from here and just click on the line and it will get erased. Okay, now here you can select this side rectangle. Okay, now one more point I need to mention over here, that if you click on the face, single click will select the face, double click will select the face with its connecting edges. Okay, and triple click will select the entire object. So if you want to select only a face, then just single click on the face. A face with all the edges, bounding edges, then double click on it, and triple click will select the entire object. So here in this case I want to select this rectangle along with its edges, so I double click on this. Okay, then I press M for move, then press Ctrl to create a copy, then select this vertex point and place it over here like this. Okay, now push pull it by 3 feet 6 inches. So this will create a step of 3 feet 6 inch width. Now select this step like this. Okay, now press M, again Ctrl for copy, create a copy and then press multiply, let's say 7. So the 7 steps are created. So this is how a dogleg staircase is created. Okay, so till now we have covered a single flight staircase and an L-shaped staircase and a dogleg staircase using the move tool and push pull tool. Okay, and a single rectangle tool to create the base rectangle for step. So by using only 3 tools you can easily create straight as well as dogleg staircase. Now to create a circular staircase we will use the rotate tool in the similar fashion as we have used move tool in this case. Okay, now pay attention on how I am going to create a circular staircase using the rotate tool. Okay, switch on the top view from here. This is the top view symbol. This is the view toolbar, top view. Now to create a circular staircase, I am creating a circle type C. Specify the center point, then type the radius like 6 feet. This 6 feet is the outer radius for my circular staircase. Now again select the center point, then type the radius 3 feet. So here I have created 2 concentric circles. The inner circle is of 3 feet radius and the outer circle is of 6 feet radius. Now type L for line command and right from the center of the circle to the outermost circle create a straight line like this. Okay, then select this line, this piece of line only, and type Q for rotate tool, click on the center point, then select the start point, then press Ctrl to create a copy. Then you can drag your mouse either in the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction as you wish. So here I am moving my mouse in the anti-clockwise direction and type 15 degrees. Simply type 15 and press enter. So it will create a copy of the selected portion of the line at an angle of 30 degree or 15 degree, whatever angle you have typed. So here in this case I typed 15 degree. Okay, now don't come out of the rotate command, don't press space. Okay, you are still into the rotate command. Now type multiply 18. So what it will do, rather than creating a single copy, it will create total 19 copies. One is the baseline, and total 18 copies are created. So total number of lines are 19 now. So 19 number of risers I am going to get. I am repeating this once again. Create a line from the center, like this. Select this line, type Q for rotate, specify the center point, then select the start point, then press Ctrl to create a copy, type 15 to create a copy at an angle of 15 degree, then type multiply 18. So total 19 lines are created. Okay. Now select this line, press delete, select this center portion of the circle, delete this, select this portion also, delete this. Now select this circle. Now you can see that the circle is a connected geometry, so the entire circle is selected. I don't want to delete the entire circle. I just want to delete this extra portion of the circle. This leftover portion of the circle I want to delete. So what I will do, I will explode this circle. So how will I explode? Just select this circle, right click your mouse. Here you can see this option, explode curve. Explode it. Now you can easily select this leftover portion and press delete. Same for this circle also. Select it, right click your mouse, explode curve. Now select this portion, leftover portion, and delete this. So this is the footprint of the circular staircase. Now what I will do, will simply push pull this by 7-inch height. Now you can see the first step is having a height of 7 inches. Now the next step, by the same amount I am going to push pull it 7 inches. Then what I will do, I will press Ctrl. Okay, I will press Ctrl in the same push pull command and then click on this face, and I will push pull it again by an amount of 7 inches. Okay, now again I will push pull it and remove this bottom portion like this. So this is the second step I have created, because this is a circular staircase, so every single step is at a different angle. So I will not copy paste it, because if I copy paste it again, in that case also I will not change the height. So what I have to do, I have to create all these steps one by one in the same way as I have created this second step. So again push pull, press P, push pull it by this amount, then again by 7 inches, then to this level, push pull up to this level, press Ctrl, push pull from new face up to this level, then by 7 inches, then click on the bottom face and click on the top face of the adjoining step. So this is the right way of creating a circular staircase. Again push pull, press P, Ctrl to create push pull from a fresh face up to this point, then again press Ctrl, push pull the same face by 7 inches, then click on the bottom face and click on the adjoining face of the next step like this. Again Ctrl, push pull by this, then 7 inches, then continuously. So this is how you can create the entire circular staircase.